Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we continue our DB2 tutorial and we will talk about primary key. The primary key is the unique identifier for each row in our table. That means it makes every record different from the others. A table can have only one primary key, but the primary key itself could be a column or a set of columns. In this video, I will show you how to add this constraint with create table command and with alter command, and how to drop this constraint. Let's start. First, let me show you this is the create statement of our table fruits. If I will vi this file and choose, for example, the column fruit underscore name as primary key. At this moment, I need first to make this column not null column because this is a condition for a column to be a primary key. So I will add not null. And now the keyword primary key. Save and quit. Run this file. There is an internal table in DB2 where you can see all the constraints of a table. And this internal table syscat tab const. I will not need all the columns. I will take only select tab name, comma, const name, type from syscat tab const, where tab name and the name of our table is fruits. As you see, the table fruits have a primary key type P, and this is the constraint's name. DB2 generate this name automatically because we created the primary key with the create table command. So let's say you want to drop now this constraint. You need to type DB2 alter table fruits drop constraint and now the name. When I run again the select statement, as you see, the table don't have a primary key at this moment. Okay, so let's say you want to add this primary key, but with the alter command. At this time you type db2 alter table fruits add constraint, and now you need to give your constraint a unique name. You remember, this is the name what DB2 generate if you use the create table. Now you should give your unique name. Let's say, for example, I will go with this one, pk underscore fruit or fruits. And now you need to write primary key, open and close the parentheses, and write fruit underscore name. Run. Okay, now let's check our tab const, and as you see, this is the primary key and this is the const name, what we choose in this command. Okay, for example, what happens if we try to insert a duplicate value in our primary key column? So fruits, values, and now, for example, you sell mandarin and you have mandarin from Germany, mandarin with ender. Now I will insert, and you sell maybe mandarin, let's say for example from Tunisia. As you see, he don't accept. Why? Because we are trying to insert the same value in the fruit underscore name, and he will give you an error and say that he don't accept duplicate values. Okay, let's say for example you sell mandarin from Germany and mandarin from Tunisia, and you want to make both of these columns as primary key. First, let me describe the table. Fruits. As I said, to be a primary key, the column first need to be a not null column. That means we need to alter this column and make it not nullable. Okay, so DB2, and now alter table fruits, alter column name is fruit underscore origin, and now set not null, run. Okay, when you set a column to not null, you need to run db2 reorg table fruits. If you don't understand this step, you need to see the previous videos. Okay, now I want to drop the old primary key with alter table fruits drop constraint, and now the ID was this one. And we'll recreate the primary key, but this time with two columns. So alter table fruits add constraint. We go with the same name, so fruits. And now primary key. Open the parentheses and write fruit underscore name, comma, fruit underscore origin. Run. Now both of them are the primary key, and DB2 select everything from fruits. As you see, we have only the German mandarin, and now I will add the mandarin from Tunisia, and he will accept it. Why? Because the primary key is now a combination of two columns. Okay, in the praxis, you will see many times that the primary key is in a column with the type integer, and in many cases, this column will have the attribute auto increment. And this type of columns, we call it in DB2 identity columns, and this is the topic of the next video. See you there.